red lips are one of the most daring lip shade in the game. I'm going to give you 3 different ways in which you can rock your red lips. Now, I'm going to start off by using a brown lip liner, MAC of course. Then I'm going to go in with my setting powder just to make the lipstick, the lip stainer, stay to my lip and does not move, and give especially the matte lipstick a finish touch. As you can see, I'm brushing out the excess powder. Going in with my red lipstick, I'm not gonna lie, I enjoy doing this combination because the red on the brown, ooh, looking super cute already, and I'm not through with it as yet. I tell you, I promise you, the matte finish is beautiful. I'm not really a matte girl, I'm a glossy girl, but when I tell you I enjoy this combination, believe me. This is the finished product of the matte look. It's a bit blurry because the camera wasn't focusing. Super sorry about that, but this is how it looks. I like it. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna change the shade of the red, including the sheen. As you can see, I'm using this magic lipstick, super cheap. It's super cheap. It's going to give me that bright red, that iconic red that Rihanna wore at the Met Gala. She also wore it at the Super Bowl halftime show, and let me tell you, baby, this red is beautiful. This is the bold, sexy, defined red lip that Rihanna naturally rocks at high profile events. This is the shade of red, so you see how you can combine colors to give you whatever you want. And of course, you know, I'm gonna go in and add a little bit of sheen. This is me, glossy. Ooh, love me some lip gloss. I love this sparkly, shimmery lip gloss with the touch of the red beneath it. This is absolutely gorgeous. You can tell me, you can have some chit chat down in the comment section. What's your favorite lip combination? Which one of the 3 do you think match my lip, my personality well? Comment down below and let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in another lit luscious video. Bye.